Hey, welcome to another product highlight from Medical Gear Outfitters. We're going to talk about Bacitracin Zinc Ointment here. So this is going to be good for first aid treatment for minor cuts, scrapes, burns, and abrasions. So the combination of the Bacitracin Zinc Ointment here is going to help stop the process of bacterial growth, which is going to help us with our infection long term for those minor cuts and injuries that we don't want to get infected. So we package this two different ways. If you're just looking for a few packs, a pack of 6 comes in a bag, great job. If you want a box, then you can get 144 packs. So if you're building out a home first aid kit, a vehicle kit, maybe you're a school nurse, maybe you're looking at a workplace safety first aid kit. This is gonna be great. I probably wouldn't throw this in my trauma kit, but if you're building out a first aid kit, this is gonna be a great addition.